Picture this. A vendor just finished up a massive factory HVAC installation for you. You sign off, you pay them 100% upfront, and everyone's happy, right? Well, fast forward exactly 1 week. The entire system completely breaks down. You're making frantic phone calls, but nothing. They've totally ghosted you. Just like that, you are out millions of dollars. So why on earth did this massive financial disaster actually happen? Well, it boils down to one simple, absolutely critical mistake. They forgot their ultimate safeguard. They forgot the retention money. In this explainer, we're diving straight into why this is literally the final and honestly the most powerful lever you can pull to protect your company. Let's break it down in simple words. Retention money is basically just a chunk of a vendor's final payment, usually somewhere around 5 to 10%, that you intentionally hold back. You are physically keeping this cash locked safely in your own bank account until the project's warranty period officially ends. It's not a suggestion. It's your absolute, rock-solid guarantee that they are going to stick around to fix any defects. To put that into perspective, think about this in your everyday life. Let's say you hire a carpenter to build a really nice custom wardrobe. If you hand him 100% of the cash the exact second he finishes, yeah, good luck getting him to come back next week to fix a squeaky door, right? But if you hold back just 2,000 rupees and tell him, hey, you'll get this in a month if nothing breaks, I guarantee you he'll be back that very same day to fix any issues. Now, let's scale that exact same concept up to real corporate leverage. Meet Ria. She works at XYZ Limited and just hired vendor A for a massive 1 crore factory HVAC system. On day 15, when it's finally time to pay the invoice, Ria's smart ERP system kicks into gear. It doesn't pay out the full crore. Instead, it automatically releases 95 locks and physically locks down 5 locks as retention money. Fast forward 6 months. That AC system inevitably breaks down, and guess what? Vendor A rushes right over to fix it for free. Why? Because they desperately want to get their hands on that locked cash. Okay, so let's clear up a massive misconception that constantly trips people up here. A lot of beginners mix up retention money with a performance bank guarantee or a PBG. But look at the stark difference. Retention money is actual hard cash that's been deducted from the invoice and is sitting safely in your own bank account. A PBG, on the other hand, that's just a physical paper document from the vendor's bank promising to pay you if things go south. One is actual cash in hand, and the other, well, it's really just a promise. So knowing all this, where does the whole system actually fall apart? Well, it's the ultimate auditor's red flag, the premature release. As auditors, we are constantly on the hunt for negligent or even straight-up corrupt managers who go in and manually override these ERP controls. They release that retention cash way before the warranty period actually ends. And by doing that, they are completely destroying the company's only real leverage. Which brings us right to our final, ultimate takeaway for today. Physical leverage beats paper promises every single time. Actually holding onto that cash is the only true, foolproof guarantee you have over any vendor. So as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to ask yourself a serious question. What other critical blind spots might be hiding right now in your own payment processes? Give that some thought, and we'll catch you next time as we uncover even more hidden risks.